Hello, my name is Brian Dietzmann. I'm a systems design consultant for Central City Air Conditioning. I've been in the business since 1984. I started out in new construction installation and retrofit changeouts. I've been with Central City Air Conditioning since 1997. I like the 2-speed condensing unit matched with our custom split evaporator coil. Allows for great performance and aggressive humidity control. Hey, for more about me, check out my bio page on our website.